People will stay in-house before Avhim's newest emergency alert. Warming, this is not a test, this is not a drill.
The rain check of Weather Nation is
insane
rain weather.
acid
Warming,
is going to rain
this is not a test, this is not a
drill.
People have
8
hours, 30 minutes left before raining.
Weather forecasts know the rain acid rainfall every and all time, but the rain can kill people because people get out the house of hungry and thirsty, of empty food and water, of fridged weather forecast. Send the weather time on TV in the 30 and close out. People will watch fast to tell the you family here. We thank to watch the weather Tom goodbye to see newest emergency alert services. Warming, this is not a test, this is not a drill. We have insane weather. Factories stopped manufacture food and water in market capital. Sales are down in close market. People can't eat and drink anymore. People will hungry, thirsty to death. And why factories stopped manufacture? Because the rain acid fall on factory and engine manufacture, explosion and engineers stop working. May God protect you.